Hello friends, welcome back to the Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with me, Sawan Kumar. In this series of videos that we are going to do, we are going to train you, skill you on how you can quickly use Canva to create social media posts, videos, and do a lot of design stuff related to your day-to-day work. Yes, it is going to be very quick. You did not even outsource these things. Well, it is highly advisable that you do outsource because your value of time is a lot more than you doing stuffs yourself. So, but still, let's say you are a solo agent, you are just starting up and you want to do these things on your own and not outsource it. This is the place where you should be. In today's video, we are going to talk more about creating animated social media posts for you. Creating animated social media posts for you. Yes, so quickly jump onto canva.com. For those who do not know what canva.com is, what Canva is, it is an online web-based design tool, design software, design application that has millions of templates that you can use for yourself and easily without having any expert level of knowledge with design or knowing softwares like Photoshop or knowing video editing tools. You can do the stuff yourself. A little bit of knowledge, a little bit of experience, a little bit of getting around with things, the curiosity of getting around with things. That's the job over here. So let's jump onto canva.com and see for ourselves how we can be doing animated social media posts right there. Look for animated social media posts. So in this case, we would not be using the templates that we have from Canva. Rather, we would be creating something of our own. Okay, so that's why we use a blank canvas. As we all know, this is a canvas, and here we have some suggestions which we are not going to use. And so to start with, it's going to be easy, quick, very simple. Grid. No, not grid. Let's use frames. If you select on frames, you'll see different shapes and sizes of frames. We will be using something that looks a little different, not a regular square or a rectangle, but still something that we can use. Can we have something that can be used? Okay, we'll be using this one. Yep, this should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Now what we do is, if you have the new listing image that you want to use, you already have it. That's good. If not, we'll choose something from the photos that we have in Canva. Let's say you have a new listing of a home that looks something like this. Okay, and now we want to add some animation to it. How do we do that? Is we add some blobs. But before adding blobs, I would want to change the background color to something like this, or maybe this, or maybe this. Okay, let's use. I want to change the image. I'm not liking the image a lot. So new home, or just a home photo. Does this look better? I think a lot better. Yeah. And now what we do is we change the color to something like this. Okay. And now how do we change the color? I'll just come back to it. This is the background, and over here you have the option to change the color of it. So we change the color of it. Now we add some animated stuffs, something like this. You see, this is like rotating. We make sure that it overlaps, so as to give it more of an animated look. And then we over here add a text by clicking on the T, heading text. So that's for the new listing. We can use different kind of fonts. Increase the size to 60. Not liking the font a lot. Let's try something else. Something that looks different, at the same time is readable. This looks good, but is it readable? Is it easy for the people who want to read it? Yes, it is, and it looks classy. It looks modern, and yeah. Now that this post is done, we can now choose to add the pricing of the home. How do we do that? We again click on T. We add a subheading. We click over here. Let's the pricing is for 10. Something like this, but it's not visible. So what we do is we again go to elements. We will select for rectangle, and we choose something like this. We change the color to white, and this to a bit grayer, and this a bit more gray. Okay, so that's the price. What else does you can add your logo. So let's say you have your logo, something that looks something like this. You must have added it already. Okay, and what else? You want to add more text to it, something like 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and over here you want to add the address. Now you want to add some more animated elements to it. Celebration stickers. Line stickers. There are different ways that you can find things. This is not giving me. Yeah, so this is what I was looking for. Let's say we add something like this to just give it a more interesting look. And you want to add some more texts, call now for details, add your social media icons if you want to. You can do a lot of different things over here using the different elements that you have over here. Let's say you want to ask people to click here at this. You want something animated, choose to have this one, change the color to white. Once again come back to elements, click here. We have something like this. Bring it up, and here is the animated social media ready. We simply go here, download it, and zoom. We are done with the animated social media post for your social media. So it was so easy making changes, adding new things, be it for a new listing, be it for a sold out listing. Let's say you want to add something for, see if there's something, you want to add a sticker like this, or just sold. You want to add something like just sold, a just sold listing. That's how easy it is to create different kind of variations, to create different kind of stuffs on Canva. You'll find a lot of options for yourself to find out. Okay, and you can simply go here, download it as a video. Make sure that you're downloading it as a video, so that you can use it as a video on social media post. It would look like an animated post, but it would actually be a video. So I hope you got some idea of creating quick social media posts for yourself using Canva. So we did it for new listings. I showed you how you can also change it for just sold. You can use it for open houses or whatever new you are doing. Create animated posts, create engaging posts, create interesting posts, and use it for yourself. Yes. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.